answering your top 5 questions.
about growing mushrooms at home.
How long does it take before you get mushrooms out of these kits?
You should actually start to see little baby mushrooms within 2 weeks.
Do they grow more than one?
Absolutely. So after your mushroom is matured and you've harvested, just rehydrate and it should produce another flush.
How much care is involved and how much light do they need?
So there's minimal amount of light required as long as it's indirect. And as far as care goes, you just lift the humidity tent once a day and rehydrate at the incision.
I can do that. I've heard they have a lot of benefits. Can you tell me about some of them?
That's a loaded question. For lion's mane, they help you with your cognitive function, they help inflammation in your stomach, and they also increase your menu. And for oysters, they're more culinary. They do have some benefits, but not as much as lion's mane.
You can cook oyster mushrooms?
Absolutely. You can dehydrate them, you can cook them like a steak, and add them to stir fries. There's endless ways of cooking with oyster mushrooms.
What about lion's mane?
Lion's mane is an excellent meat substitute. It has sort of a fishy or lobstery texture and taste as well.
Do you guys have any more questions?
Comment down below.